the most difficult types is the intuitive introvert,
Yeah,
you know.
yeah.
The intuitive extrovert, you find among hunters, bankers,
Yes,
gamblers.
yes.
That is quite understandable.
Yes.
But the introvert the introverted variety is more difficult because he has intuitions as to the subjective factor, namely the inner world.
Yes.
And of course that is now very difficult to understand because what he sees are most uncommon things, and he doesn't like to talk of them.
Yes.
If he's not a fool, because he would spoil his own game by telling what he sees, because people won't understand it.
Yes.
And so they learn to keep things to themselves, and you hardly ever hear them talking of these things. That is a great disadvantage, but it is an enormous advantage in another way, but also in human relations. For instance, they come into the presence of somebody they don't know, and suddenly they have inner images. And those inner images give them a more or less complete information about the psychology of the partner.
Yes.
You know, that is, but the case can also happen that they come into the presence of somebody who they don't know at all, not from Adam, and they know an important piece out of the biography of that person.
Yes, yes.